This corporate capture, we see it happening not only, for example, in the US or other parts of Europe, but also in Africa. When you visit smallholder farmers, they are now so dependent on hybrids, and they start complaining that we can't replant these hybrids. The vigor, the vitality has gone down, and yet you have investments going now into even our milling companies and from American corporations putting in money there to control corn. You see it even, for example, in the push for genetically modified foods. Of course, their ultimate game plan is GMO maize. There is even investment going into the new technologies like synthetic biology, gene editing, even with no regulation in place. And the amount of money that is even being put in our research institutions by corporates and multinationals to drive research in those institutions, all with the aim of this corporate capture of the food system. Because once you control, for example, the seed, you control the food system.
The idea, I think, of the World Economic Forum and many of the industries that has led this process was to jump ahead of the train and try to really capture the narratives, ensure that this food system approach would actually be rewritten in terms which continues to be those of techno-solutionism and corporate-led agriculture, with this continuous mantra of the need to feed the planet, and very often with a very strong and narrow definition of science and evidence, thanks to that particular portion of formal science, which is industry friendly and supports technological solutionism in all its forms.
The same system that's pushing this tech-driven agricultural enterprise in Africa and other places around the globe is the same system that started with the enslavement of Black bodies to produce cotton, rice, indigo, and other what became cash crops in the 15th and 16th centuries.